Alrighty. Oh wait, I forgot to start Tradecaster. Frick. My bad, my bad, my bad. Alright, now I'm live on every single platform. Morning Hassan, morning SCT99 on Tradecaster. I'm trying to get my music to start playing real quick before I can really focus. On YouTube, I got J Hard, Lazy Trader. Good morning. What's up, Lazy Trader? TikTok should be live as well. Checking TikTok now. Morning Roadrunner on TikTok. I don't really want this music. I want this music. Alright, now I am good to go. So, let's see. What do we have for gappers? John called out a few of them on the Discord this morning. Duo, SNTG, Spy with a gap up this morning as well. We do have non-farm payroll, which I don't usually keep track of that, but there is one today. So let me look at SNTG first. We got BCAB. Duos on here. Lee is on here again. I see a lot of electric car makers. I see XBev and Lee. And then somebody else, Dragon Trader. So Robin called that PKBO. Which this one is on my gappers now too as well. Morning, Hannes, Johan, morning peace. Was away the last 2 days working. No problem, man. Cinder, good morning. Alexander, what's up? Happy Friday, man. Waiting for the recovery on DK and G. Okay. Trader John, what's up, man? Trader John, thanks for commenting on my YouTube recaps. Appreciate it, bro. Oops on TikTok, good morning. Zane on Tradecaster, good morning. Chambers, good morning. Billy, I don't have Billy. I think I saw it on mine, but I think the volume was low, so I ignored it. But let me look at it. Okay, not bad. Let me go down the list now. SNTG is number one gapper. 598 high. Well, this one was actually looking decent until that sell-off just now. So let's see if it recovers it. We got 598 high. Oh, that is way up there. Resistance on this. We got a pivot at 488. If we recover and get over 488, that'll be good. We do have another one down here, which I don't really want it to go that low, but 413. And then we got this one, 571. So this one's actually pretty good. I hope it recovers because so far I do like this chart. I want to see it recover 488, and I will take some trades. I will take some trades if it starts holding 488. What are you trading today? I'm going over them right now. So, how do you play gappers, bro? You play the fill? No, I'm just playing momentum on them. So SNTG doesn't look bad, but it's free falling. What the heck? You guys seeing SNTG? The only gapper that looked decently is literally fading off right now. Morning, Rome C. What's up, Armanio? Morning, Chicago Sid. Wow, this really sucks on SNTG. I wonder if news came out or something. BCAB high of 1163 on this one. Morning, this dude, Hoodie Hunt, he cracking a beer in the back. How did you know? How did you hear that? I didn't realize my mic was that sensitive. It just went cracking a beer in the morning at 8 a.m. I saw it and heard it. Good morning, John. Long or short? What are you looking at, Spy? Gap up, continuation up, maybe? Let me look at Spy for you, John, in a second. That 376.85 is still resistance on Spy from what I see for now, real quick. Cracking a beer in the back. SNTG was my number one gapper, but unfortunately it's not looking the best. Now it just absolutely faded. Kind of same thing with BCAB, but that one's kind of recovering a little bit. Duo was another one that some of you guys were calling out. Gap up this morning, double top at 164. I will be on here for just a couple minutes, and then I gotta head out today. Family plans, so we'll just be tracking Spy for my phone while I'm out. Mersa, good morning, Mersa. Chambers, Neo, yeah, I saw Neo, XBev, and Lee gap up. Dylan Hess, PKBO. I'm looking at that one. Rob, what's up, Rob? Chicago Trader, man, what's up? I'm late, but here. Well, market hasn't opened yet, so you're not late. Duo chart popped up again, 164 high this pre-market, but Duo, I wanted to see it back over almost $2, and then we got a high of 2.3, so I'm gonna be looking at $2 first, and then 2.3 afterwards. This market has been so slow, dude. Is it? Yeah, the fans are running like full blast. You see the one John got? What car is that? It's a Ford Fiesta Rally. I never saw it. SNTG, Javier. No, that's how I'm feeling, man. That one was looking nice, and then it just absolutely faded. Looked like it had the biggest volume too. Dude, I need to get like the some people have like monitors that are like that one, but they have like 4 of those this way. It's crazy, huh? Because then if I play video games, how am I gonna play video games on a vertical? You can keep that one there. I know, but they have like the giant ones like this, and it looks awesome. But I could not have that. Did you guys have too much tecate last night or something? Did you have some tecate? He said gross. Good morning, bro. Hope you have a good day. Thank you, man. Hope you do as well. Everybody on YouTube, got 64 viewers so far. We still have 10 minutes to market open. You guys hit the like for me, please, so more people start coming in here and they can join the stream and hopefully make some money for this. Hmm? Yeah. He still doesn't eat very well. Tech and Money, what's up, man? Tech and money. I wasn't calling your finger fat, bro. I was just saying you can use your mouth so you can actually point where the price is and say it that way. Lang, what's up, Lang? All right, PKBO. Some of you guys were also calling out this one. You have a high of $8. What's up, Lang? Welcome back, bro. Or unless you've been here and I haven't seen your messages, but welcome to the chat, anyways. 1293 high on this one. Looks like a recent IPO. You know, it's a recent IPO, and this thing is moving fast. Open closed at $3 yesterday, and is sitting at almost $8 today. That's a lot. You know, that's a lot. So this thing can easily fade it all, give it back, or this thing can rip, bounce, and go right back up to all-time highs since its IPO. Tamimi didn't oversleep this morning. Nah, no problem, Lang. No problem, man. Ape Trades, good morning, you rich motherfuckers. For the last 2 days, Spy has not let me trade with market order and my active trader key, so that sucks. Why is that? Good morning, Mason. Sophie, at IQ. Let me look at Sophie. You know, I'm not seeing an obvious gapper again. Well, actually, SNTG kind of popping back again. Where's Sophie at? Sophie popping back a little bit. This is one that's easy to borrow, so we could probably keep an eye on this one. It's got a lot of room to run if it wants to go back up to high, so I don't know that it will do that. Honestly, if it got to like 560s, 568 is the level I'm looking at it. Honestly, if you draw a horizontal line at 568-ish, I could see a short there. It is backside of this stock, so I really hope SNTG comes back. What?
You have 3 shirts laid out on the desk, and you wear either one of those 3 every time you stream.
What desk?
So you wear the same 3 shirts every time you stream?
I have the same shirts. I like these shirts. Tamimi, you only slept 3 hours last night. Easy money, what's up, man? Did you keep your red day small yesterday? Let's go make some money or get back some money. Morning, Robin. Ape Trade said, tell the scrub to shut up, F up. Bro, he's back here drinking a beer, dude. It's 8 in the morning, this dude's drinking a beer. He's drinking Tecate, dude.
Tecate's gross.
Morning, JD from Hell on TikTok. What's up, man? What broker do you use? TD Ameritrade. Alex Levi, what's up? Did you say 376.85 on SPY? I do see 376.85 on SPY as resistance. So we have still 5 minutes to market open. This is SPY for me. John, I know John's going to be looking at this one. I don't know if Zach is in here. He's been trading futures. Probably going to move similar. You know, we still have that rising wedge, broke out of it, trying to make a little bounce. So honestly, any bounce up on this stock here on SPY, I would like to reshort. There is kind of this bigger trend line that I have on this time frame. 1 touch, 2 touches there. Had a third one there. Looks like we popped out of it. Try to use it as support, and then we tucked right back inside. So if this thing pops up to that level up there, right now I see this horizontal one, but if it pops up to 380s as well, again, I might look for some more shorts. He said, is it Tecate or Tecate Light? Morning, Diddy. Oh my god, dude, real scrub. I thought people only did that in Louisiana.
It's not actually beer, goddamn.
He's drinking LaCroix. He's a wuss. Good morning from NBTX. Is that in New Braunfels, Texas? Is that New Braunfels, Texas, what they mean by NBTX? I've never heard somebody say that. Our stops today, no questions, yes sir. And I think honestly, I've been trying to hold for the bigger move. So today, if I get anything in my favor, any small little green, I might be taking my profits pretty soon. Alexandria, good morning. Trading with you today. Awesome, awesome. Tamimi, you still trust SNTG after that sell-off? If it reclaims 488, so I was saying 48 before that sell-off or as it was selling off, and you can see it spiked right back up to 488, held 488 as resistance. So if we reclaim 488, I might start taking some trades on that one. 48 is a daily level on this one that if we get over 4088 and start holding 4888, we might see the move up to 5 and then 570s, 580s, $6 new high. Now, obviously, I have to see how it starts moving during the day, but if it starts moving super heavy and feels heavy and all that stuff, damn, I can't drink before noon, man. I feel like a POS. It's because you're lightweight, Ape Trades. 102 viewers on YouTube. You guys hit the like button before market opens because you're going to be too busy making money. You'll forget about it later. So please do it now. Thank you, thank you. Coin mid-cap stock that may have a good day today similar. I have heard so many bad things about Coin, man. People keep complaining how that stock is still up in the $70 or $60, whatever it is. EOS just shot news up. Let me look at that one. 164 high on this one recent. That's not bad actually. SNTG has a micro float as well. Thank you guys for hitting the like button. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. We got 2 minutes till market opens. Twisted teas though, any day, anytime. Twisted teas are so good. Have you had twisted teas?
I don't like it very much.
Wet G tanking now selected for project in California for 13.5 million EOS. Gross too sugary. So we got about a minute and a half.
How did he go?
Hmm?
He was just there up top, but I don't fucking see him.
He's right in the middle of the screen.
Oh shit.
Mexican Cokes, the breakfast of champions.
I prefer Pepsi.
Y'all realize why this guy's an idiot, right? He said, I prefer Pepsi. Actually, I'm not gonna lie. Just regular Coke, just regular Pepsi. Maybe Pepsi wins it, but Dr. Pepper definitely is the way to go.
That's gross, bro.
Dr. Pepper is definitely the way to go. And especially cherry flavor. Cherry flavor Pepsi, cherry flavor Dr. Pepper.
Vanilla flavor.
Delicious. What?
Vanilla flavor.
Uh-oh. He said Dr. Pepper is gross, yeah. Dr. Pepper was originally sold as a medicine. Austin Lewis, dark sodas are nasty. What are you talking about? You gonna come here and say Sprite is the best soda? Am I using a margin account on TD? Yes, fun fact, Coke Zero was made for men. Soda in general is nasty. Okay, I figured somebody was gonna say I don't drink any soda at all. All right, market starts in 10 seconds. Enough about sodas, more about stocks. Let's see. SNTG will recover as 484, 488. Sorry. SPY is it gonna rip out of the open again? BLQC is about to make a movement trading that one. Okay. I hope we get something moving because the last few days absolutely nothing, and honestly I don't even see anything remotely close to being good to move in. He said yes, Friday's the way to go. SNTG down to 428. I see that. SPY's trying to push up. If I hit that 480 on SPY, I might be adding more long-term puts. Wow, PKBO absolutely flushed. You know, SNTG is actually not flushing at all. This one might end up making a bounce here. PKBO flag, that thing absolutely faded. SNTG is trying to pop up a little bit, so I'm going to be watching this one right now. I don't see anything else. Keep an eye on momentum gapper, see if anything starts moving with volume. PKBO is one that I mentioned. Being a recent IPO, this thing is and gapping up from $3 to 8. That's a lot. This thing was already up over 200% overnight, right? So I didn't expect this one to keep running. I did say be careful with that one. SNTG is popping back up over 488. SNTG getting some volume, so hopefully this one puts in a nice 5-minute flag and then starts pulling down for us to enter. 488, you could see that's the level that I was marking, and you can see how shorts are already trying to keep it there. Hoodie on hold, I don't know what to do with Hoodie. Actually, as a matter of fact, I didn't look at it today, so I do want to see what it's looking like. Did anybody trade Hoodie? I think John actually shorted Hoodie yesterday and was able to make a profit besides the crazy move it put into the top side. So that was a close one, right, John? Alexander up 5K on DraftKings reversal already. IQ has low volume pulling back. Morning sniper trades. Diddy low volume. Hoodie on hold. I checked Duo. I have Duo on my side chart. Oh, actually, Duo's popping up now. Duo popping up. We could look at 150 and then high, all-time high on this one that I'm seeing, or not all-time high, but recent high is 2.3. So this one, I want to see that 164 break and then 2.3. Good job covering on that one, John. Duo is picking up some nice volume on this one. SPY already spiked over that 376.85 and it looks like it's pulling back a little bit. Duo's volume is not bad. Duo's volume is not bad, but we need this one to get going. Same thing as SNTGs. Those are the only two stocks I'm really looking at right now. I'll keep an eye on Momentum Scanner, but oh, here's Hoodie. What is Hoodie at? $89. Halted on the way up again. Who thinks Hoodie's gonna hit a new high today? Who thinks Hoodie's gonna hit a new high today? So it's currently sitting at $90 and then all-time high is 130. Also Polar BCAB. Did you just make 18K on shorting this one also? Am I seeing that right? How much do you usually make a week? Good job. Everybody gave also Polar a thumbs up. That guy just made 18K on BCAB short. Good job. It got up to 155 yesterday post market. I know that's what I'm saying. Who thinks Hoodie's gonna hit a new high today? Well, it looks like another slow day. I thought SMTG would do something. I thought Duo might do something. PKBO halting down. BCAB fading. SoFi absolutely getting destroyed. Now SMTG is flushing. I'm going to give you a little fire emoji as well. And a little clapping hands for Oso Polar. DBGI, Mr. G. Actually, that was one from yesterday. Oh, but this had a reverse stock split. I feel like every time a stock has a reverse stock split, it just gives shorts. It just gives shorts more opportunity to short it. Because this thing, I'm pretty sure, was under $1 yesterday. Because I remember trying to take a trade on this one up to $1, and now it's sitting at $10. He just made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on Coke. Duo is looking the best one that's actually not flushing. Maybe could have taken this flag here, but I already missed that move. We need to get over VWAP on this one. Mersa, did you take that trade on this flag down here on this one? CNET, somebody's calling out CNET. CNET's got a high of 112, not bad actually. What's the volume on this one looking like? Pretty low volume. Wow, PKBO opened and keeps going lower. I think Ape Trades took that Duo dip. That's a good trade, Ape Trades. Let's see if it closes a nice 5-minute candle on this one on Duo, and then a pullback to. I'm kind of seeing this whole area of 1.4. This is a nice opening on Duo, so I like this so far. Ape Trades, I hope you're still in this. 20 seconds left on the candle. We want to hold this thing high and see if we get continuation. 150 is right there. So if I get a small dip of VWAP on this one down to 140, if we close high, get that dip, I might take some ads on this one, see if we can anticipate the move up to 150, over 150. That's a pretty nice close. No pullbacks. Wow. Don't want to catch a flush after that, but I don't think this is going to keep going past 150. So if I get a pullback now, I might be looking for the next trade. One, two, three, four, five. 1, 2, 3. It's the third minute of the 5-minute candles. Oh, 8 cents, not 1 cent. Okay, yeah. So I was going for the when I took the trade on DBGI yesterday, I was going for 10 cents. That's right. Man, SPY hit that 376.85. Somebody was asking me on TikTok, and it pulled back. I'm still watching Duo. If I get a spike down to that 140-ish levels, I might take some ads on this one down there. Strong volume on this one on the way down, so that's a lot of selling. But to me, it looks like the only one with volume, and so we might get into a little bit of a range. I'm watching Duo here. Let's see if we get that flush back down to 140s. There's already a wall of buyers here, which is good. People are interested in it. You can see how it's not going down right there. So if I get down a tiny bit, that might be an opportunity for new buyers to come in like me. Here we go. Took my ad down there, way down there. That pulled down a little too hard, but I'm still in it down there. Yeah, that pulled way too hard. I'm going to add again just to see if this thing wants to pop up a little bit. It's going to be a losing trade, but if I get a small pop up to get out break even or a small profit, I will do it. There's 1,000 orders on the ask. Holy crap, that is not going to get taken down. Yeah, that's not going to get taken out. I'm out. That's a tiny loss there. Look at the ask. Well, I got out right before. What the heck is that? Oh, that's also Polar. There was like 1,000 orders on the ask on that order there, on that stock there. So I had a small loss there. Averaged down a little bit, and 1,600 on the ask when you joined. That's ridiculous. Do you know any algo traders? I do not. SNTG. Oh, SNTG halted down. SoFi cracked. I think I saw it. EOS surprisingly is not doing anything with those news. CNET. Somebody mentioned this one. It's just absolute garbage market. CNET actually trying to make the pop to highs, but volume is eh. Literally, John. Oh my gosh, look at SoFi.
Holy shit.
You don't even know anything about stocks, and you can tell that looks bad. Look, that one, and then this one. Look at this. What the heck is this, dude? This is insane. This is ridiculous. Rome C is in PKBO. Okay, you got a 510 average. Alright, you're in a little bit of profit. Good morning, Sergio. What's up? SNTG absolutely ripping, I think, after this halt down. So let's see if this one actually wants to keep popping up. That 488 is still my level, so I'm watching SNTG. This one has a micro float, so if you start popping up on this one, you might get a very nice run. Let's see if we also have a downtrend here. Is that where we're getting stuck? Maybe a little bit there. 44 seemed good support earlier, so if we get pulled back down to 484, 44 low volume, maybe this one. Dang, that sucks, Ape Trades. I thought you at least take some profit. I just didn't know if you got out of it all. SNTG, I'm watching it. Had a very nice pop reversal after halting down, so long SPX, short UVXY. Okay. Sergio woke up a little late. Man, all you guys sleeping in. First to meet me and now Sergio. Oh my gosh, also you just added another like 10 grand basically. Here's that 488 on this one on SNTG. This is what I'm watching here. What's your advice for beginner traders? Open an account and start trading with fake money. Just watch the market. Just trade fake money. Small downtrend on this one here. So if this thing closes pretty high, close to VWAP, I might take a downtrend and retest 470s, 460s. SNTG is definitely top watch now. This is gonna halt. Can I get some fill? Yep, I got tiny fill there. Oh, this might be risky here. Oh gosh. Holy crap, this might be a risky play here, boys. Holy frick, this is halted. Dude, if this spawns up to... Please, actually halt, though. Oh my god, bro. Ape Trace is in here, too. Oh gosh, dang, I hate these. Dude, this is like 1,500 shares. Is anybody filled in this halt up on SNTG? What's the point of halts? So halt just means a lot of volume, a lot of orders came at the same time that they have to halt it because otherwise it's going crazy. Austin Lewis is in with 2,000 shares. Will Crow is in with 2,000 shares. I'm in with 1,500 shares. Ape Trades is in with 500 shares. Rosendo is in at 475. Rosendo is in early. Ape Trades said, "Wow, we all about to get effed." Alex said, "I left 1 second before." Dude, honestly, this thing might rip. This thing with that micro float, where is it at? What is the micro float exactly on this one? It's 1 million float, dude. This thing tried halting down, held it, and then started pushing back up. Once it halted down and started making its way back up, had it on watch, but I didn't get a good entry on it. But you know, this is kind of a risky play here. But if this thing halts up anywhere up to 5.6, it'll instantly rip up to $6 and get a new high of the day. So I'm hoping that happens. Ugh. 5 minutes. Yeah, but they can be 10 minutes or they can be even longer. That's why my when it was halting though, my finger was literally clicking my shift and ready to exit in case this thing was a fake halt. Because sometimes they start halting and you see the orders still moving, but if it doesn't freeze, it's not halted yet, and they could just drop. Ape Trade's peeing his pants a little bit. It's so nervous. Alex Murillo is also in on here with 800. Easy Money just got out before the halt. Good job. Orchid was down 280 and got the move back up on this halt, and now he's green for the day. Good job. So this halted at 843.20, so we're looking at 848.20. So it's a little bit of time still. Shout out from the Philippines. Thank you, man. Thank you. Fry in at 435. Somebody else on TikTok is in at 435. Dang, you guys got a good entry. Yes, I do trade full time for whoever was asking me. Sorry. Ape Trades is in a 511. That's exactly my price, Ape Trades. Hopefully we don't get screwed here. I'm down 80 bucks on the day, but this thing is definitely going to give me more than 80 bucks or lose more than 80 bucks. Kevin, what's up, Kevin? I tried saying hi to you yesterday. I hadn't seen you in a long time, and I saw your name pop up yesterday. What's up? How you been, man? In at 435 on SNTG. Oh, Kevin, you made 32 grand yesterday. Dang. For real, dude. For real, this spy looks bearish. Yeah, that 376.85 surprisingly held exactly to it. So 847 right now. So we got about a minute and 20 seconds. Dang, a lot of us are in on SNTG. Oh, you were down 22K the day before. Holy crap, man. Hmm? 848. I think it's 848.20. So it's 847.20. So exactly a minute. I wanted the 488 retest, so if it spikes down to 488 slightly and keeps holding it, I'll stay in this trade, but I'm actually shaking right now, guys. I'm gonna have 500 selected on my active trader so I can exit the trade if I need to, descaling, and then hands on the full flat button. So we got about 30 seconds left. Bro, can you see my legs, dude? I'm trying to make. Alright, 20 seconds left for this thing to resume. Please give me a high resumption of close to 6 so we can just absolutely rip up to $6. Alright, we got 10 seconds left. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Give us a high resumption. Oh, we needed Jofi Young for the high resumption. Alright, hands on the buttons. Ugh, not a good exit. Okay, I'm selling a little bit. Let's see if it gets a further squeeze. Let's see if it gets a further squeeze. It's holding, it's holding, it's holding, it's holding. There's the next leg up. There's the next leg up. I'm gonna take some out there. Stop at break even now. Okay, I'm risk free. I am risk free on this trade now. Up $400 now. I'm looking for the squeeze up to $6. I'm looking for the squeeze up to $6. 13 seconds left on this candle here. Honestly, if I even get a low volume pullback or something, I might even chase this thing. I don't know if I should or not. But let's see if we absolutely rip. I'm selling a little bit more. I have 200 shares left. Stop at break even. I can't lose anymore. I absolutely cannot lose. 571 is the next daily level. If we get over 571, we could see $6. We could see this squeeze up to $6 if we get that 571. Every dip's getting bought here. Every dip's getting bought here. Watching, watching, watching. Is this a low volume pullback? Is this going to create a nice little bit of a 1 minute, 2 minute flag? Micro float on this one, guys. Remember, I have 200 shares left, so not a lot. I think if I go all the way back down and get stopped out, I lose 44 bucks. Little aggressive pullback there, but it's still holding. 10 seconds left on this candle. Hopefully it holds that low there. Maybe gives another retest of VWAP. But if this flushes, it's going to fully get me out. If I get a flash down, I might re-add right here. Nope. Stop under that candle there now. I didn't get the pullback. Maybe here. If I get the flush all the way back down. How did I only get filled 200? What the heck? That's weird. Alright, here. I'm watching here. I'm adding. Terrible fill. No, not quite actually. I got a good fill on that, but only added 500. But there it goes on the way back up. Added on that dip down to VWAP. It was looking like low volume. Now it's trying to get back up. Let's see if we can take some of these walls out. Looking a little heavy here, but I could also put stop at break even on this one again. So I'm risk free on this trade here again. Added back lower. Didn't get a full share size. I thought I had 1,500 shares selected, and I only had 500. I don't know how that happened. Following this one with a trail stop, putting it right under that candle because I think this one's got to go. If it doesn't go, then I get stopped out, and that's it. There's another little bit of pop. I am going to have 100 selected if I want to take it in pieces, but I'm hoping this one absolutely rips up to $6. Trying to pop up, trying to pop up, trying to pop up. I'm going to take 100 out, put 400, and then put a stop under that candle again. That was a fast stop. You see how fast I can do that? This is still a low volume pullback here, honestly, so I'm still trying to hold a little bit, but it's not ripping like I wish it would have. Any other market, this thing would have already absolutely ripped to $6 and halted at 650, 100%. I'm gonna get stopped out. I already know it. I might even just close it to get $400 profit total on this trade here, but somehow it's holding it. I'm surprised. I'm surprised this thing hasn't had that. Alright, so I got out of all of that with only $380 profit. You got $70. Good job. It's not bad, but it was too iffy to play it super aggressive. I honestly don't know where to look at it next. If it dropped down to VWAP, if it dropped down to like 488, maybe look at this super low volume that is starting to form down here again. Just looks like a perfect flag. Also, Polat is shorting SNTG. Oh, interesting, interesting. Considering also Polat made like 30k already, I would think he's right, so I don't want to long it, but I am a long trader, and I'm still kind of in. Also, Polat, why do you have to do that, man? Also, Polat said, I'm shorting this thing. This thing just boop, drops like a rock. What the heck? Yeah, this is done. Unless it holds at 488, which is a daily level that I've been looking at and that I've wanted all day long, but I don't know how I feel after that fast flush down to that level. Yeah, you're going to that. Yeah, can you just get me, I guess sausage, egg, and cheese croissant? And then maybe like a maple donut. My wallet's right there if you. Huh? Oh. He tried to buy the $5 dip and got smacked. Oh, I see it. Jay-Z is ripping. Oh, Jay-Z is ripping. What is this? Wow, the daily on this thing, the first thing I notice is it's got a high of 180 something dollars. Is that my servant? Yeah, I pay him $5 an hour. Trader John said, now I'm hungry. A duo flushing, good thing you're stop losses. Small loss in regular size. So much better loss mitigation on my part today. Good job, man. Adam, how did you know that was going to happen? On which one? On J on JD held like man, everything is absolutely flushing, man. Is that my brother? No, that's not my brother. Oh, Jay-Z. What trend line? This is one I had like 150 $180 stock. Man, guys, if you are short, is Rafa in here green on the day a bit over my daily goal? Good job, J Hart. That's awesome. CNET is ripping again. CNET is one we had an eye on yesterday, earlier today. Well, it's kind of ripping, but actually this one had a decent 5-minute flag. Not the best volume, but it had a 5-minute flag. You know, you get that volume up, you get that flag down, holds that pivot, which it dipped under it, but you can see that 5-minute actually closed over that pivot. You know, it held it. That's a good sign. Oh, I see it now. I think he posted all his entries up higher, Sniper Traits. I know it's annoying to scroll up, but I think yeah, he posted all of his trades there. Thank you so much for doing that. Also, thank you so much, man. I'll definitely go back and check this out later. I'm definitely gonna go back and check this out later. So thank you for doing that. And once again, congratulations on your ginormous, humongous, green day, bro. It's incredible, bro. Good job. As far as me, I'm up probably $300 on the day. SNTG, you know, I managed that trade okay. I think I could have held a little bit more at the beginning. Just didn't want to catch a quick rejection to the downside. So I sold a little too early on that first pop. But so far I'm up $300. Makes all my loss from yesterday plus more. And finishing a good week, you know, for having a red day yesterday, slow day today. I had a good start to the week, so it's still not a bad week. Curious to see if SNTG is a bear trap. You know, it's right on that 488. If 488 is that previous spike on the daily, so I'm watching that one very close there. Also, volar. How's everybody doing today? Green, red, how are you guys doing? Did everybody that was caught in that halt for SNTG, I'm guessing you guys hopefully took a profit on that trade? Did you guys were able to you trade weekends? No, the market's closed on the weekends. I trade stocks. But some of you guys were caught up in that SNTG halt again. So on the halt up. So did you guys were able to close it out for some profit? Realm C close to green. Traded SNTG the next move after the halt. Isaac green. Awesome, awesome. May not 100 on that trade. Green $500. Good job, Alex Green. Mars. I blew my account, so looking for a fresh start. Ooh, not today though, right? Just mini in general. Sergio, pivot, just looking at anything. Jesse, what's up, man? I shorted Roku at 53, up 60% right now. Isn't that the one that somebody mentioned yesterday was just like nonstop going up? Could have maybe expected that. I don't know. Enough. Well, Osapala just cover at the right time because there goes freaking SNTG again. Holy crap! You started. What broker do you have? Here goes SNTG again, guys. Here goes SNTG again. Now I think I do have an obvious downtrend up here. Another halt? Are you kidding me? This thing halts so easily. I'm not in on this one, and I didn't even want to try to get filled on this one, so I'm leaving this one alone. It did the same thing Amazon did. Big drop, climb for a day, then drop again. Will Crove made $432 on that one. Good job, man. These micro floats move fast. Yeah, but this thing just halted right away. It like didn't even let us like here is where I would want a nice 5 minute candle here again and then give me a pullback here and then we can explode after that. But if it just does it all right away, it's like what the heck? BLQC made that move. I didn't mention it when you said it out loud, but it's too cheap. SNCG so far the only one. A halt means the stock is getting frozen. So if you look at my screen right now, this stock is halted, which means it's not trading. It's frozen. Look at my time and sales here on the right side, and it's frozen. Let me see something, though. Let me check my other stuff, though. You will enter another short if it runs up over 585. You know, how? Like, after it makes the big move through 6, or like as it's hitting 6, you're going to short it? Well, yesterday and today did not go as planned for my profits, but you're still green, right? You're still green, Ape Trades? Chicago Trader, watch this one go to $6 when we're not in it. I guarantee you I guarantee you this right here is going to be the halt that resumes at 570s, 580s, and hits $6. I guarantee you. It's a circuit breaker halt whenever a stock moves plus or minus 10% under a minute of the stock. Is it actually 10% plus or minus? I never knew that. I just thought it was like a certain amount, like or not a certain amount, just like out of nowhere moves pretty fast or something. I didn't know it's an actual percentage that they take in. 3 halts up incoming. I don't know about that. I don't know about that. With this micro flow, one of those can easily halt down or just hold its momentum. If it gives a little pull back close to 6, I'll probably get in and short it. Are you still short Oso Polar 20K right now? Do you feel like today's going to be the market crash? No, I don't think so, Wild Boy. I still think SPY is going to try another push up, another little bit of a tiny run to get more bulls in here. I think we go back up to 380 and maybe slightly over 380, but I do think we go up a little bit more and then put in that final leg down, I think. Um, this SNTG halted at 59.22, so that means at 04.22. So we got about 40 seconds on this one for it to resume. If it pops up, maybe over this trend line, small pullback to a trend line, maybe at 571, pull back to 571 or whatever this point is right here. 566, sorry. Anything up there, maybe. Maybe I will. Someone has a 2-share bid for 50, lol. I want to see if we just get a quick spike through $4. $6. Sorry. But this already halted up with less volume than it did earlier, so being cautious on this one. Terrible resumption. Oh wow, it's going for the high. It's going for the high. Tiny size over high of day. You had to be absolutely kidding me, bro. $50 left on this one. I do think we see that $6 break. I do think we can get the $6 break. Shorts are incredibly strong right now. I'm kind of just risking this one here. Holy crap. Wow. Wow, that hurts. How is this? How does that not break $6 right there, dude? This is where it reaches, hopefully, watching it. I thought so too. But this is strong. Also, Polar, if you shorted right there and took my shares, man, I am going to go over there and smack you upside the skull. Seabass shorted it and up 650 in 1 second. Dude, I'm telling you, if you're a short trader, any single green candle you see today, any day in this market, you absolutely just got to smash the sell button. Absolutely. I guarantee you Seabass and Oso Polar are literally freaking excited right now. Oso Polar said, I told you I was shorting. Yeah, you're literally the one that took my shares, bro. So that's a little bit frustrating. I'm probably down 500 on the day that fast, flipped it around, so. But I think I'm still, probably 1,500 green this week, so I'm not upset about that. I'm upset about the market where this literally cannot go anywhere up. Dude, I should short, but I can't. I need another broker, man. I've lost faith in all of mankind. I'm glad I was able to get out, though. I am glad I was able. PKBO over would be 570 would be nice. PKBO over 570. Honestly, everything is so choppy again, dude. The other one that was actually working was CNET. I want to look at that one. Yeah, CNET is okay still. But this one definitely iffier volume. Hello, bro. How do I start trading? I am a beginner and I don't have a clue on anything. YouTube has it all, or I do offer a course that you can get. And my course is going to teach you everything you want. If you do want that or want to look at it, you can see everything that's included on it. TikTok bio link, and you can use the code 150 off for a discount. I can't tell how I know a stock is going to halt up or down. Usually you see it on the level 2, but the level 2 on Thinkorswim doesn't tell you. So usually I can tell by the time it sells. Hey, I'm glad you bought that food for me because look at my P&L.
Damn. What?
I bought it right here. It halted again, and then it was going. I was looking for it to break $6, so I started buying here, and then I bought there, and then just went boom, and it halted down. So I was able to get out, and I closed it all out because if I wouldn't, this thing is probably gonna spawn down here. So I avoided that.
Little wiener dog next door chasing me around.
Wiener dog. Oh, from like over there in the corner.
Oh, right there. In that truck.
Oh, PKBO. Seriously, Juan? You're looking at 570. I could see 550. Another beer, dude? PKBO is popping up a little bit. This is another one with crazy range. How can I tell how much shares are short to, like, how can I tell how many short shares are to short, like the price? I can't tell how many people are short, but I can just see the ask, and the ask, it's orders to sell. So I most of the times assume that those are all sellers. Well, not all of them, but like obviously there's going to be some people trying to sell their position at that price. But if we're trying to get through the next walls, I wouldn't think why a lot of people are trying to sell just 1 penny from where the price is. So PKBL trying to pop. If it had like a little flash down to 550 maybe. Ape Chase, if I lose money on this one, you're gonna have to Venmo me something. It went up, hit VWAP, so it's already a little bearish there. But if I just get a tiny ad down here, I might jump in on this one. This is, oh frick. Gosh dang, that's accelerating fast. If you wanted to buy, I think this is a place. Bro, this is what happens when you get a low volume play, dude. I can't get out. Unless it's slippage. It doesn't look bad here to hold this bounce, low volume, so I'm seeing if this thing wants to turn around there. But I need to see real volume on this one to make its way back up. Oh, SNTG is unhalted. And I can't sell market because I'm going to lose a lot of profit selling market with this tiny no volume garbage. But I might have to because I am not seeing buyers here. SNTG actually resumed lower, but it's still going right back up. Holy crap. Hopefully that ignites a little bit on PKBO. I really don't think this one's going to do much. Okay, here. Try to make the push back up. Suck out from me, baby. SNTG absolutely ripping back. PKBO trying to hold a low here, so I'm still holding. Super low volume, so I'm really surprised there's no buyers here. It's probably because it's way below VWAP and stuff, but look at this, no volume here. What is going on? Where are the buyers at? I see a little bit of green on the tape there. This is super low volume. This new candle's got to spawn and start going higher. Let's see if we get it. What? There's like no new candle. What is going on? What is going on?
Is it halted too?
No.
No, it's not.
No, it's just so slow. Stupid ape trades. I knew I was going to get some slippage there. Dang it. Seabass, what were you saying? Just locked in 900 in 2 seconds. Oh, yeah, on your short on SNTG. Good job, man. Good job. Look at NVIDIA ripping. I'm at a red day. I'm gonna import my red day and just see what I'm looking at. I think $500 or $600 red. So that's 2 red days back to back. But I think the week is not looking bad. You know, for having 2 red days. I'm not only down. I'm down 600 today, but on the week I am still up 1.4. So, oh, Seabass, by the way, for your information, it's paper trading. It doesn't matter, man. I don't care if you're paper trading or not. If you're constantly getting green and you know what you're doing, then good job. No, I was up, but then I lost it all on SNTG. I really thought, and this stock really should have ripped up. This thing should have gone through there, popped a new high of day. Should have done it there. I got caught in that. That's where I lost the majority of the profit. And then freaking Ape Trades made me take PKBO down here. And so I lost a little bit of money on that one there. SPY is volatile today. It's right back up to that 376.85. I do think if it keeps going up like that, the way we retraced to that one, you could get another leg up. I'm telling you, I think this thing can make it pop up to 380s, 385 maybe, 382, 83, 84, somewhere in that area. And then I do think this one's got another leg down. Probably. I mean, as from everybody saying, and stock is gonna crash, and you know all of that. But I am red today. BA stay above 160 now. That is ridiculous. We saw yesterday like what, hundreds? Just kidding, 120. All right. Well, at least you guys are actually keeping small losses. You know, Ape Chase, you took a loss today. Blair, you took a loss today, but I think you guys are still up on the week, so that's good, and that's kind of how I'm sitting at right now. Should trade SOXL. SNTG, just absolute micro float, is destroying the stock. You know, if you guys don't know what micro float is the smaller the float the stock is, the more easily this stock can move up or down. Maybe the more easily it can get manipulated because somebody with a lot of money can easily do that. The program that I use is Thinkorswim. What website or program is this? Thinkorswim. Everybody on TikTok. So the smaller the float, the more the stock is going to move up or down. And so that's what you're getting with this one. That's where you got to halt down, then you got to halt up, and then you got to halt down. So that's why this stock is halting so much, because it's got a 1 million float. Honestly, I probably won't even touch it anymore. It already burned me once bad. I had it the first time. I missed a whole move the second time. Oh, I actually halted there again. So it's halted 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So for you, So here are my results for you guys. I am down $592 today. Yesterday I finished at 170, but Wednesday I made 400, Tuesday I made 860, and Monday I made 950. And then some of these days last week were okay, 700, 600. So today's finally a decent loss. You don't trust SNTG after that big sell-off? I don't either. I don't trust SNTG. Duo also looked like this one wanted to go. You know, this one should have gone as well. But I think this week is probably one of the worst weeks. Monday and Tuesday were okay, and that was only because SONN was the only one that I made my money on both days. But besides that, everything else was absolutely fading. Seabass Juancho, so what's a good broker for shorting, by the way? If you want to short, hands down, I think Trade Zero is the best one, but I've heard a lot of things from Guardian recently. Guardian is another one that a lot of people are calling out and saying it's a good broker to short. So I've heard a lot of things. Cobra is good, but I think the only thing why people don't like Cobra is if you want to use Cobra trading, you at least have to have. I think if you're like a resident, you need like a U.S. resident, you need to have like $27,500, 27,500, and I think if you're from out of the U.S., you have to have like 30K minimum to open the account. So it's like a lot of new people can't open that account if you want to short. Trade Zero though, I think Trade Zero. If you guys want to short, I think you could open a Trade Zero account, maybe 5K, I think, and I think you can, or 2,500, 2,500, I think. I'm not sure. 100K minimum. No, for Cobra, I know it's 30, and I know it's less for Trade Zero is 2,500 minimum. Okay, there we go. Somebody said 500. That might be to open the account, but I think to be able to short, you might have to have 2,500 in. Yeah, so Trade Zero is what everybody uses the most. Welcome, welcome, Maris, Oyoka. So I am sitting at a red day, guys. Stupid SNTG stock burned me. Had it the first time, burned me the second time, so I am red. Does Guardian have a minimum? I'm sure they do. And honestly, comparing them, I want to say Guardian is going to be like Cobra because they're just higher end brokers. Not that Trade Zero is bad, but Trade Zero is one of those brokers that a lot more people use. Their platform isn't the best, charts maybe not the best, but you're not really looking at that. If you had Trade Zero, you're looking at the chart window and you find low kids and short them. If you're looking at Thinkorswim charts, so I think Cobra and Guardian are gonna be higher end, but that does mean that probably gonna have to have 25K for Guardian. In my opinion, shorting has lost a big edge recently. The borrow fees or Trade Zero are steep. That's because everything is literally like this bear market. Every single time you see a stock pop up, like you're literally getting shorts everywhere. And so for them to be able to afford shorts to everybody, they have to charge more, and everybody wants to buy them out already and stuff. Like I think today, yesterday, and the day before, we didn't get a stock that made a new high after market open, like at all. Like SNTG high was 598, no newer high today. BCAB new high, no high today. Duo no high today. They're not even going up at all. It's like as soon as the market opens, they're tanking. Look at this. Billy, the closest one to make a new high. Look how close it got. From 20 to 23, no high. EOS, nothing. CNET, maybe this is the only one that opened up. Jay-Z had a nice run, flushed all the way back down. Every single stock. Dude, it's not even raining. Look at the weather. Is it supposed to rain or no?
Oh, it's wet as shit outside.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, I couldn't even drive. My car was just peeling out.
Is it raining or it rained and it
It's not
stopped?
raining currently. It's just freaking gross outside.
Wait, did you get me a donut or no?
Mhm.
Oh,
Maybe you want to do the hot one first?
yeah. Hi, I love you, bro. Thank you, thank you. Hoodie went past 60, lol. Mr. G, Oxy, WW. Yeah, that other group trades Oxy nonstop. I don't know what the big deal with Oxy is. Trade Zero does have good customer service. All right, that's pretty good. That's pretty good. Andrew Cadeno ARCT. ARCT is right here again. Super low volume. So I really don't know, guys. I mean, I can kind of see SNTG forming a little pennant here. I mean, this is what I'm looking at right there. Could break out of it, but honestly, I think this is a short again. First time in stream. Few questions. How long have you been doing this? Rough estimate on earnings. I've been doing this 2 to 3 years. As far as streaming live, completely free, I've been doing it for 6, 7 months, 8 months maybe, 9 months maybe. And I hear a lot of people saying Trade Zero has pretty expensive locate fees. And honestly, I kind of want to throw it out there that Trade Zero might be the cheapest locate fees out there, right? Am I wrong? I heard that Trade Zero's got the best fees. That's why a lot of people use them. What do you mean short prices are steep? Cobra has the best prices? Alright, so people are correcting me. The only thing that, a lot of people are complaining about the prices, but you have to understand, when you're shorting, go Cobra and Guardian are the cheapest. Okay, so Trade Zero is not the cheapest. Oh, Trade Zero has the most shorts. That's right. Okay, so that's what I was thinking of. And any Trade Zero was good at something. I just didn't know. So thanks for correcting me, guys. So if anybody's interested in shorts, all right. So if anybody's interested in shorts, I'm gonna break it down for you. You got Trade Zero as probably the number one pick for a lot of people, and then you got the other brokers that it's gonna be Cobra, it's gonna be Guardian, and then it's gonna be Centerpoint Securities. That's another one that a lot of people use to short. Cobra, Centerpoint Securities, and Guardian are probably going to have the cheaper prices, but they're also I would say in my opinion more reputable brokers, more, you know, all of that stuff, maybe better customer service, maybe better charge, better system, better platforms, all that stuff. That's my opinion. Um, but all of those you're probably going to have 25K, at least 25K to open the account, and then they're going to say you need 25K at least to be able to trade. So you definitely want to put 27, 28, 29, 30. Cobra is the only one that I know that probably is going to ask you more if you're out of the US. Maybe the other ones do too as well. I'm just not familiar with them. So you're looking at Cobra, Guardian, or Centerpoint Securities for the better brokers, better fees, but you are going to have to put more money into your account. Now that doesn't mean you're going to use all of it. You can put 30,000, you can put $100,000 in the account just to open it and still trade with $2,000, with $5,000. And then you have Trade Zero. Trade Zero is going to have the most available shorts, stocks to short. And by that I mean, for example, if you look at SNTG, for now on Thinkorswim it says none to borrow, right? On Trade Zero, it could be hard to borrow, and you might be able to borrow it. But if you go to Guardian, they may not even have it. So Trade Zero is going to have more availability. But then, because if they have more availability, they're going to actually have higher prices than Cobra, Trade Zero, Centerpoint Securities. So, but if you guys want to start shorting, I definitely do think Trade Zero is probably going to be the way to go. I don't know that it's 50K because I think I asked recently and I think it's 30. I think 30 is the high end on Cobra. E-Trade, I have no idea about E-Trade. I've never researched E-Trade or know anything about E-Trade. I think Sniper Trades uses E-Trade. I think Sniper Trades uses E-Trade, but I think he just left. At this rate, we should all start shorting for real. No, 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 Randy Miller. You don't need a certain amount. Yeah, so somebody, Armenio on YouTube said 30K for Cobra. Ape Trade said E-Trade platform is ass. PKBO trying again. Screw that stock. Good morning, Israel. Claymaster Cobra has a cheaper version for startup called Venom. Not sure how good it is. I did not know that either. Randy Miller, you did not need 100K to start day trading. You can day trade with 100 bucks if you wanted to. PKBO is spiking up now. Crazy. Tips and tricks. So in order to do a round trip trades on TD, you have no. For those of you guys that are kind of beginners, and I'm not calling you out to embarrass you or anything like that. Um, there's a cash account and then there's a margin account, and there's this thing called PDT rule. So if you want to learn how to day trade and you don't have $25,000, the only thing you got to be careful is PDT rule. Doesn't mean you can't trade every day. Doesn't mean you can't make round trips. You can buy and sell um, probably as much as you can, but you have to decrease the amount of shares you use. But that's with a cash account. If you have over thanks, if you have over 25K on any, what the heck is this? It's not donut. This is a filled thing.
Yeah, maple.
It's filled with maple?
No.
No, what's inside of it? Gross. It said donut, not whatever this thing is. It reminds you of something or what? So if you guys are new, I'd recommend you guys look up cash account versus margin account and then PDT rule. If you guys really want to learn off of me and you want to know exactly how I teach things and then help you out in the market, then I do offer my course where I literally go into detail of all the things about a margin account, all the things about a cash account. Um, Another thing, I don't think you can short on a cash account. You cannot short on a cash account. You have to have a margin account to be able to short. Which then there goes the thing of you have to have a margin account to be able to short, but now you don't have a cash account. So if you don't have the 25K, then you can't manage your cash account like that. Uh, Dragon Trader, you're in on Neo. I see Neo right here on my side chart. I've had it open this whole time. Looks like I had a nice 5-minute flag there actually. You can short with puts on cash, correct, but you can't short the actual shares. Oh, but if you, like I was saying, so if you guys really want to like start off and learn everything about day trading and want to learn everything exactly how I teach it and then help you along the way, mentor you, review your trades or anything like that, then you can always pick up my course. Use the 150 off discount altogether, no spaces, 150 off, and you get $150 off. And I cover all of this and how to get around PDT rule with a cash account or a margin account or anything like that. There is zero momentum in this market makes me depressed, dude. Same here, dude. ¿Andas enseñando a tu amigo a tradear? No, no quiere él. Intenté, pero no quiere. Somebody's asking if I'm teaching you how to day trade, and I said I tried, but you didn't want to. Would I consider this gambling? Absolutely not, man. Absolutely not. If it was gambling, I would not have the win rate that I have. PKBO popping up. I don't want to trade that garbage thing. I don't think I'm gonna trade anything today anymore. That's just how I am. If I just really don't like anything, I'm gonna do it. I've been doing that a lot more, and I'm sorry, guys. You could find a trade here. You could find the pullback down to 595 ish VWAP, $6 maybe, but I'm red on the day. I don't like this action. I'm green on the week. I had 2 red days today, but still green on the week, pretty good. So I'm happy with that. For whoever was calling or not calling, but asking if this is gambling, I'm gonna show you my last 30 days right here. Look at this win right here. I had a huge red day on this day. Can you shut up? I had a huge red day, but this day it's a one in a lifetime scenario that just happened that happened to me. Very unfortunate, it wasn't something that I can control. It was just something random. KHK, what's up, man? I am red today, bro. And I'm showing you the real side of trading. Everybody's gonna flash all the money they make, but they don't show you all the money they lose. I had a one in a lifetime loss that happened, and then after that, 3 red days, decent red days, 600 today, 800 that day, and then 600 this day, and then my last 30 days, I am still up 9 grand. So look at this consistency: how many green days and how many red days. That is not gambling. PKBO moving on news. Yeah. Noticeable out. I lost 20K last month. All right, man. All right, man. I thought you were like un 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 undefeated. I thought you were all green all the time, bro. You said bro took the question personally. Which question personally? My course total brings it down to $300 if you get the discount. And honestly, guys, there's only one course out there that is cheaper than $300 that I've seen. Everything else I've seen 400, 450, 500. I've seen some up 600, 700, 800. And I mean, obviously, we all know Warrior Trading charges 4,000 for his. So I think 300 is a pretty good price for some of you guys beginners to get into it. And I made it cheaper not because you're not getting your money's worth. You're getting your money's worth, if not more, because I'm literally offering full mentorship with it. I mean, if you have any questions, you ask me. If you have any trades you want me to review, oh my gosh, PKBO, what the heck are you doing, dude? Um, if you want me to review any of your trades, I review them, all that stuff. It's just included with my course. You have to put 150 off at the end of it though, and you learn everything. I'm teaching you the beginning of trading, like account type, how to open the account, which account is better for you, how do the stocks move, what is a stock, all of these things. And then I do go into detail every single day. And then I also every person that's in my course is put into a private Discord, and I am constantly asking them how they're doing. I'm constantly asking them, saying, hey, is there anything that I didn't cover that didn't make sense or anything like that? You tell me, and I go back and make a video for you. Cinder said course paid for itself. Thank you, Cinder. Appreciate it. Um, there's a lot of people on the course that have been absolutely killing it. Some of them don't share their trades with me. They're just like their profits, but they share their trades, and I'm like, yeah, you did this. I should have done this. You could have gone here. But off the top of my head, I know 3, 4, 5, 6 guys that absolutely killed it this week, just this week alone, and they're all from the course. Yeah, you can do this on a MacBook. How did you learn trading, Juan? Who was your mentor? This is a good question because a lot of the times people think somebody teaches them. How much will I need then to start? I only have 2K to start. 2K is enough? Yes, 2K is plenty, man. I don't check pairs, so I'm not doing that. 9K in 30 days is pretty damn good. 9K in 30 days, and I had that unfortunate loss, so I should be up, 10, 11K, 12K without that stupid loss, but oh well. Taxes, tax just like your income, man. And KHHK, another thing that I want to say, KHKA, I think you're asking about the course. Um, on my course, there's paper trading. If you guys are beginners, can we start with 1,000? You can start with 1,000, yes. Um, you can trade paper money. Paper money is literally you do the exact same thing. You're looking at the exact same stock, and you can buy, and it's all fake money, right? You can do the exact same thing. Yeah, a lot of people think day trading gets taxed for 50%. It's not. It's the same thing as your normal job. People focus too much on dollar amounts instead of percentage winners. That too, yeah.
You want to trade that donut for this one then? Just all donut holes.
No, that's gross.
How is gross?
Or plain. PKBO hot it up, yeah, I know, but this is another iffy one. I think XBev is probably going to be doing the same thing as Neo. Yeah, KHK, let me know. If you guys have any questions about my course, just let me know, you know? I'm not going to trade anything else today. PKBO is halted up right now, but it's the only one moving in pretty low volume, kind of risky stock. SNTG was the one that I ended up going green to red. SoFi, we're looking at faded. BCAB faded. You know, I'm probably done trading. And as you guys know, my little scrub servant is here today with me.
Excuse me?
Somebody called you my servant. That's what you are. I'm kidding. He's not my servant, but he did go get me breakfast, so thank you. Although he got the wrong thing. Scrub can't even get my order right. Your Weeble account is bugging today. Sorry about that. Thinkorsy has a great paper trading platform. Same with TraceStation. Yeah, guys, if you guys want to learn, I definitely suggest you start off with what is the link to buy your course? It's in my TikTok bio. In my TikTok bio, you can get my course. If you guys want it on YouTube, let me give you guys that link right here. I'll give you my link to my course, and I'll give you my link to my Discord. So if you guys have any questions about it before you purchase it, you can always come in and ask me. You know, I'm not a person that's gonna be out here scamming you guys. If you guys have any question about the course, you ask me first, and I will answer it and tell you if it's a good thing for you or not. The amount of money to start does not matter. What matters is your knowledge, or if you have a strategy that works.
I started with $100 and ended with 46.
Somebody said, how long do I need to go through the course before I can start paper trading? You can start paper trading as you're going through the course. I suggest you do that, you know? I know it sounds crazy. Do you have a website? A website for the course? Yeah, I don't know if a website for what, though.
Just for information, it's probably your Discord.
Are you talking about him? Guillermo de la Cruz with a beard, what we do in the shadows. Do you know who that is?
Who?
Guillermo de la Cruz. Look it up. My Instagram. I don't have a link to my Instagram, but I think it's just Juan Trades. Yeah, Juan Trades underscore.
How do you spell that?
Guillermo, Guillermo. And then space, DE, space, LA, space, Cruz, CRUZ. Do you track your trades or journal? Yes, I use TraderView.
The first thing I look up is Guillermo de la Cruz asexual? That's the first thing people ask. What the heck?
PKBU is unhalted. Could be looking at $8, but eh. He is gay, but that is besides the point. Dude, how did you know? That's exactly him then.
What?
He said that actor is gay. So I said it matches you even better. Somebody else said Rolex GS. Oh man. Alright guys, another thing I want to point out. I know a lot of you guys are new here, and a lot of you guys are probably desperate, like, why isn't this guy trading? Is he literally just going to talk? No, come in 50 minutes before market opens. I'll go over the stocks, and I'll trade live for you guys. But I do this every day. This is what I do for a living, so of course I'm going to trade and make money, right? But, you know, I want you guys to learn my discipline as well, right? I'm seeing stocks rip up like PKBO. Is that a high probability trade? Probably not, you know. I got burned on it once. Maybe this was a trade here. But up here is so low volume. I cannot take this trade with that volume, and it's moving up 50 cents, a dollar per candle. This is crazy. That is not a high probability trade. Yeah, you can go in here and gamble on it. You can go in here and take some trades on it. You might get away with a green trade, you might get away with a small loser or a red trade or something like that, but this is not the high probability setups that I'm gonna take trades on. You know, if I was break even on the day, maybe I'd take it small, but I am 24. I don't know why I just did that. I'm 24. But you know, I think the main reason why beginner traders end up losing money is because they are not disciplined enough. You know, they want to get here. If they go red on the day, they want to make it back. If they go green on the day, they want to get way more and more and then lose it. You know, and you guys are seeing how disciplined I am. Yeah, I could still sit here all day and find another trade, but I don't think I'm going to. And I'm not over trading. That's exactly right, Osopolar. And another thing, not every day is a trading day, and that's something I'm bad at. I feel like every day at least I have to take a trade. Yesterday could have been a no trade day easy. Today I probably still would have taken SNTG somewhere around some of these trades here. I probably still would have, but you know it's unfortunate that I got caught on that one. At least I got out of the halt, so that was a good thing. But this is discipline. If you guys want to be successful, you have to have discipline.
You also commit the big bucks.
What?
So you also don't commit the big bucks.
I also don't make the big bucks.
Commit the big bucks.
Yeah, I'm not also Pilato over here. Yeah, the idea is that shorts panic and cover, yeah. Which is what I was looking at here, though, and it didn't happen. Somebody asked earlier, what is a bull market like? Guys, I guarantee you, on a bull market, this move here would have pulled back, halted up, halted here, broken a new high. Even here, pulled back, ripped up. This thing would have been at 6.50, $7, 7.50. I guarantee you, any bull market, this stock would have already been at $7, $8. Crazy. And there's even people out there that trade way less than me. You know, they really don't take a trade unless they see everything perfect. Bull market is like watching rockets take off. Where do you prefer to look up the float info? I look at it on my trade ideas, which is kind of unfortunate for some of you guys because you guys don't have it. But if you ever have a question about a float, just comment down below and either I'll see it and tell you or somebody else will. But I'm sure there's other websites that you can look it up real quick. What is that one website? I always forget the names. I use trade ideas, so sometimes the best trade is no trade. Absolutely right. Be disciplined and stay with your bread and butter setup. Sounds like what? Finviz, that's it. Yeah. Oh, Ali Concha, man. Hey, Ali Concha, I hadn't seen your name in a long time, bro. SCT99, Thinkorswim charge you 740 per trade. I was self-taught, yes. I mean, I looked up YouTube videos, I looked up other people trading, but I never talked to anybody that they told me, hey, you should do this, you should do that. I never had anybody that looked over my trades. I never had anybody to tell me do this, do that. So I do listen, just less typing, brother. Love your commentary. Awesome, man. I recognize your name and I hadn't seen it in a long time, but thanks for still lurking in here, man. Hopefully you've absolutely been killing it recently. And that is why another thing, if you go and look up any other live traders, I guarantee you none of them were looking at analyzing the candles like I do, waiting for the candles to close, like stuff like that. I've never heard anybody tell me that before. Duo road back up. Yeah. Direct offering news means just somebody else wanted to buy the stock or offered to buy the stock or is going to buy the stock at a certain price. And so if the price is trading at $1.30 and they offer to buy the stock at 1.1, that means that the price is already the price of the stock right now is way more expensive than what they're going to buy it for. And so usually with news like that, the stock absolutely like drops like a rock. And so that's what I got caught on that $2,000 loss. But usually they do in pre-market, post-market, something like that, not in the middle of market open. I think I've seen two or three recently, and I think I've seen two or three in my whole trading career. And I've only ever gotten caught in one going down, and that was last week. Or 2 weeks ago, whenever that was. Trading 2 to 3 years. Guys, I don't think I'm going to trade anymore, and obviously you guys see I have my friend here, so I might be done for today. I'll answer any last minute questions here. Like I said, if you guys have any questions more, you always have my Discord. How much is the course with the discount? $300. So it's usually $450. I'm giving you guys a $150 off discount, $150 off, no spaces, and you get it for $300. And you know, you'll get the full course. If there's any videos, topics that I don't cover, I can make a video and cover them. Somebody asked about options. I don't have options on it, but I do plan on making it. As a matter of fact, recently I was thinking I should start doing that. It's gonna be pretty busy towards the end of this year, but eventually I will make an options course, and it will be included to the course now. And I'm probably gonna up the price just because I'm gonna freaking include extra content on it. But if you guys pay for the course now and I add the options material to the course, you will absolutely get it with no extra charge. Uh, this dude, Juan, have a good weekend. What's your top three for the rest of the morning? I am going to, if I was still trading, I would keep an eye on SNTG. And honestly, that's about it. PKBO, it's still popping up, but you know, that's a risky play there. You'd have to really get good volume on that one, which we did not see at all week long, so oh well. How come my hands are green, bro? My hands are red because I'm red today. Somebody said, are you a top or a bottom? SNTG will now bleed out. Probably, but you know, I don't know. We'll see. Alright guys, I'm gonna head out. You guys have a good one. I am locking in a red day. I'll show you guys for everybody that is new here. Here is my red day today. I show you guys all the transparency. I'm down 592. Yesterday I'm down 170. So 2 days and I'm down 6, 7, 8, almost $800. But Wednesday I was up 400. Tuesday I was up 800, and then Monday I was up 950. Last week 600. Day before that 750. So I think this week is still sitting at 1.4K, which is okay. Not the best week, but not the worst. Could have been worse with the momentum we saw. So I'm glad I am still up 1.4K this week. Trading 2 hours a day. Trading 2 hours a day. So you guys have a good rest of your day. If you guys have any questions, if you guys want to keep chatting, go ahead and go to the Discord. I know it's been pretty dead recently, but that's just because nothing's been moving. But here's a Discord. You guys go over to this day trading chat, and this is where you guys can chat. So you guys can go ahead and go on there. Ape Trade said he's a bottom for sure. PKBO all out short squeeze. That one is short squeezing now. Oh well, I'm not gonna risk it. I'm up 1.4, so I started trading 2 years ago, 3 years ago. So you guys have a good one. I will see you guys Monday. I do this every day, 15 minutes before market opens. When do you go live? Daily, Monday through Friday, 15 minutes before market open. That's gonna be 8:15 Central Time. Depends on what time frame you're at. Thanks, dude. No problem, man. Blair, you have a good one. As a TD, you have a nice weekend, man. Chicago, see you as well. Rome, KSP, and having a wall price action. Ape Trade, see you Monday. All of you guys have a good, safe weekend, and I will see you guys then.